Alright YouTube, what's going on? So let's go over the trades that I took today. Just traded two stocks, PTIE and VTVT. Um, this is my sixth consecutive green day in a row. So since I started this account, I've been green every single day. So, I am happy about that. But, they've been small gains. They haven't been, huge home run trades. I've been trading very, very conservatively, just trying to build that cushion. It is going very, very slow though, however. So today I had a realized profit of $68, but after commissions, it's only $34. So, the commissions are honestly, really getting out of hand. I mean, that's 50% today. I think it was over 60, 70% yesterday. Um, but fair enough, I traded a lot yesterday. But yeah, so I mean the commissions here are just out of hand. $30 on $68. It's ridiculous. But that that's neither here nor there. But yeah, let's go over the trades that I took today. So I think the first trade I took was on PTIE, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this one was grinding up. So I traded in the beginning of the day. I ended up grinding up a lot higher. So I mean, that's cool. But so yeah, I seen it grinding up. Again, this wasn't the best entry for me. Like typically, I like when it pulls back a little bit. But I got in here at like 155. I seen a whole bunch of buyers stepping up to the plate. I'm like, all right, I'll be one of them. I'll be a buyer. And it was trying to break this high day candle, couldn't do it. So it pulled back here. This is where I need to start entering the position. It's like, okay, it pulls back a little bit. Get in there, get a better entry, and then let it ride the grind up, right? So I let it grind up, and then I just kind of sold because the momentum really wasn't there at the time. And so yeah, I think I only had it was like a 4 cent gain. So I think it was like 20 bucks on profit. Yeah, so like around 28 bucks. Yeah, so for stocks like this, when they move, at the time it was moving, within a 5 cent spread. I mean, that's why I typically don't like trading stocks that are, below $3 because first, there's no buying power, and second, it doesn't really move that much. So it's like if you only make 5 cents, say you have even 1,000 shares, that it's only 50 bucks, and no, and then with SureTrader, 2 cents of it is going to commission, so it's only like 3 cents. So typically I don't like trading stocks under $3 because they just don't move. They don't move enough for me. So yeah. So that was PTIE, and then the next stock I traded was VTVT. This one was it was grinding up a lot, and again I wish I had buying power on it, but they restrict the buying power. SureTrader, they're just ridiculous. They have a long laundry list of stocks that you can't trade. Basically, they restrict VTVT like right out of the gate, basically. So it would have been nice to get like 1,000 shares on there. I would have made a decent amount of profit. But just take a look at the list of all the stocks they restrict. Naked, PIXY, 1-to-1, just Riot, you name it. If it's Seed, 2-to-1, you name it. If the stock is trending even a little bit, if it has volume, you can bet that it's on this list of stocks that they just won't let you get buying power on. It's like, yeah, okay. Any stocks that can potentially get you some gains, yeah, we're restricting it. And then on top of that, we're going to charge you double, commissions, around double high commissions that you'll find anywhere else. So yeah, SureTrader. I really am looking for a new brokerage at this point. So if there's any like recommendations, just leave it in the comment section below. But so yeah, so seeing this grinding up, this was really annoying me because throughout the whole grind up. I tried getting in. I tried getting in at I think it was like 450. Yeah, right here on this dip. I tried getting in. No buying power. Oh, okay. And I tried getting in even earlier. I think like right here. Yeah, no buying power. So pretty much missed the bulk of this move. Simply because I didn't have any buying power. So that was annoying. So then I had a huge wash. I got in a little too early, as you can see, because I was thinking, okay, it's gonna remain within this like flag pattern. I didn't think it was going to extend anything beyond like this high of day. Once I seen it drop below this high right here, I'm like, okay, I'm a buyer right now because it's already pulled back, 60 cents. It just seemed like a safe entry at this point. But nope, I got in and it kept raining on me. I'm like, oh, that was not a good entry. So I seen it pull back here, and I'm like, okay, most likely this is gonna bounce. This is literally a dollar wash, so over a dollar. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna have some buyers stepping up to the plate. And another this wasn't even Shirt Trader's fault. It was just my fault. But it ended up halting right here around a little bit above $6. And once it opened, it actually opened down here, way lower than it got halted at. And typically when this happens, I've noticed that a lot of buyers step up to the plate when this happens. So, I tried being a buyer. It dropped down to 470. I tried hitting the bid, didn't get filled, and it just instantly popped right back up and just started grinding. And I was like, okay. So I missed my opportunity there. It would have been a nice entry. It was a no-brainer, honestly. So that was my entry there, and then just watching it go back and forth. Honestly, I was pretty much done trading until I was looking at it right around here, and I'm like, okay, this thing right at this level, all of the moving averages are converging. I'm like, one of two things are going to happen. Either it's going to completely dip and then sell off throughout the rest of the day, or it's going to maintain its support on the moving averages and then, see momentum again. And that's literally exactly what happened. It was super risky. Like I personally didn't know what was going to happen, so that's why I didn't buy here. But that's definitely believe I was watching it right around this area. See how they're all converging here? The 200, the 9, the 50, they're all converging here. So I was just watching it, and then I seen that it had a huge wash. It was like within an instant it dropped 40 cents. I'm like, okay, that was nice. Pulled right back to the 200. I'm like, yes, I'm a buyer. And so just pulled back to the 200 and then sold for the quick pop. And yeah, that was pretty much it for these trades. So yeah, after commissions, $34. I'll be opening the account a little bit above 1,300. Yeah, like I said, my goal for this week, I really do want to hit at least $1,500 by Friday. I don't want to take too aggressive trades, but I need to step up to the plate a little bit more, I think. And and just try my best to work with Shirt Trader in terms of finding stocks that might not be restricted or anything like that. But yeah, like it's really hard when they restrict everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna be growing this account to 100,000. It's really slow right now. Just trying to build my cushion. Just trying to get to 15 and then 2,000 and 3,000. But then the further I get away from my beginning equity, the more comfortable I will feel as a trader. And the more buying power I'll be able to have. I won't be as restricted. Even with the Shirt Trader restrictions on literally every single stock. So yeah, it's a marathon. It isn't it's not a relay race. This isn't a quick thing. I'm not gonna make all my money in like a week or a month. It's already it's gonna be over an extended period of time. So I think above all, I need to be patient when growing this account. I need to be patient when I take my trades. and I need to, keep the principles of like trading that I've always stuck with. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, guys, and leave a like on the video as well, and comment if you have any questions for me, or if you want to share your trades for today. I'd be more than happy to take a look at it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.